This is Toreto extra bass headphones and Thunder Pro लिखा है इस पे, and it has Bluetooth and wireless connectivity with 10 meters of range. 300 मेगाहर्ट्ज़ की बैटरी है इसमें और 10 घंटे इसका रन टाइम है. This looks nice. पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी कर रखी है. इसको निकालते हैं. So it has a matte finish here and इसके cushions बहुत soft है. It has an aux port here, USB port for charging the device, and a few more buttons to, I guess, probably for increasing and decreasing the volume and maybe for connecting wireless and Bluetooth. So the finish is very nice, and it is like, yeah, it fits. If it doesn't fit, you can also extend it. So the side is kind of. So warranty card, and warranty card is of how much? Nothing is written like that. A user manual is there, one aux cable is there, and a USB cable is also there.